banana flitters again?
Shauna, I didn't know you was weak. You okay?
Mommy, you couldn't cook something else besides banana fritters again? How much time we gonna eat that?
You know your father been out of work. We don't have much money to buy anything.
Yeah, but him can't deal to the bar all night.
Shauna, I'm sorry.
Oh, them clothes are so cute. Look, Oliver. I would look so nice in this.
MQT? You boy, you mixed with Indian?
Well, my mom is, yeah.
Do you realize that Melissa, a foreigner come from? I love your accent. I wish what a foreigner come from.
Oh, I come from Canada.
Auntie Canada. Yeah, actually what Toronto. I just say I come from Toronto. And this is where I come from. You have a girlfriend?
Oh,
Now
well,
a girlfriend, you can come
no.
talk to me and maybe we can come visit you at Toronto.
Hi there. Me and them girl that talk about it, so, and them claim say they gonna steal some of the clothes them by using the changing room.
Are you for real right now?
Of course me is. Me know your security and me wouldn't want to look how we feel if somebody end up stealing the clothes. I mean, won't your boss complain? Oliver, come look here. I'm really hungry. Can you buy me something to eat?
So the two of the things over now come in at people them store and come teach us how
Sir,
to
you
get the hearing
didn't? We never
fight.
thief not.
Sir, this is my earring.
Oh,
I
look
bought
like you.
it.
Scabby.
Oh really? Really?
Sir, we weren't stealing anything.
Thanks for the food, Oliver. I really appreciate it.
Okay, I wanted to ask you something. Mine.
Alright, so what you have to say then?
We in a relationship? I mean, you haven't made that really clear to me. I mean, we go out and everything, but you haven't said anything about us. We also have sex a lot, so that's why I want to know if we're in a relationship.
You also had sex with my cousin. Are you and I in a relationship? Don't act surprised, Oliver. I knew. I mean, it's quite obvious. Every time she sees us together, she gave me dirty looks. I been knew.
My first time was with your cousin, and I honestly never expected I would have had sex so early, let alone with two cousins. It's kinda a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we should talk about something else.
You were also my first time.
But I thought you did it with O'Shane.
O'Shane is just my friend. If they want it to be more than that. But me not pre him so. Besides, me know him from basic school days. He's just not my type.
So, am I your type? I never thought I would be anyone's type. I wasn't actually like a ladies' man back in Canada.
But find you to be very interesting. You're quiet and you're reserved. You're not really talkative. So you give me time for talk. It's honestly refreshing to talk to somebody that actually listen. But me figure you do like my cousin.
I do like you, Shauna, but I also like Susie. Like, I know I sound fucked up. I mean, I shouldn't like the both of you, but I do. I mean, the two of you have qualities that I like, and I don't know. I feel the exact same way for both of you. Oh God, I sound really messed up, don't I? I'm just being honest.
And that's what I love about you, your honesty. Don't worry, it's fine. I think we should order the chocolate cake. I heard it's really nice. What do you think? Hey Marsha, how you doing?
Oh, hi Shauna. I'm there.
I have an idea. We're gonna have a little small get together and you should come.
Is it for cheer practice?
No, nothing to do with cheer practice. Tony has a little abandoned house that we'll go to and hang out.
Well, if it's during school hours, that's fine. But I can't go anywhere after school. My mother won't allow me.
That's why you're just gonna lie to her and tell her you're having a sleepover at my house. Trust and believe. She will let you go.
I don't know, Masha. My mother, she's really strict.
Well, I guess Oshin's gonna be highly disappointed because I told him you were coming. But if you don't wanna come, I guess you can just go home.
Oshin really asked for me?
Of course him did. I always talk about you. I'm always putting a good word. I'm your friend, Marsha.
Okay, I guess I can lie to my mother until I'm going over Susie's house.
There you go. Trust me. You're going to have a great time.
Susie, I wanted us to talk. I don't like that we're always fighting lately, and I feel a way about it. I want us to be friends like we usually is.
I was never mad at you. I guess I was just kind of jealous you was hanging out with my cousin.
Yeah, but I don't want us to we're always fighting, and Shauna, she's just, we just hung out because of cheer practice, that's it, nothing else. It's actually been really nice. And I wanted to talk to you about this. I mean, since I've joined the cheerleading team, I just feel more confident. You know how it's been kind of hard for me.
Yeah, I'm sorry for not, supporting you with your decision. I'm really sorry about that. I mean, you're always my best friend, Marsha. I just get jealous at times. I think you're gonna ditch me for Shauna.
What? I would never do that to you, Susie. We've been best friends since basic school. I would never ditch you for anybody. You should know that too.
Yeah, you're right.
Listen, I think we'll have a little fun. Tony have this abandoned house that him and the guys them hang out at, and I want you to come with me, if you don't mind.
So Shauna's gonna be there, and Oliver.
Yeah, but Oshin's gonna be there. Please, Susie, do this for me. I just want you to be there. So when we're ready, we can walk home together and feel more safe. Please?
Alright, even though I don't approve of Oshin, I'll do this for you.
Thank you so much, Susie. I really appreciate this. Anything you want, any favor, me do it for you. Trust me, I really appreciate this. You know what? I will help you get dressed too. We are gonna look so good.
Seriously? Daddy, you do realize there's no food in the house, right? What am I supposed to eat? It's been weeks now and you and mommy haven't bought any groceries. What's going on?
Shauna, you already know some out of work. May I try look for your job, Shauna? You have to see what
You've been saying this for months now, Daddy. So I know you're not fixed about the car for run the taxi. Like, what are we gonna do? You do have to pay rent.
So you think I don't know that, Shauna? I don't have the money for fix the car. What exactly you want me to do? Shauna, you have to understand. It's not easy to find a job in Jamaica. You must know that too. I applied to call centers. No, nobody has called me back. Mother's been working extra hard to keep we afloat.
You could work for Uncle Daniel, but you don't want to do that. So you're not actually trying. You know how hard it is that I can't afford even new clothes when all of my friends them can afford all of that. I don't understand why.
Shauna, I can't work for Uncle Daniel. You don't know the type of things him do. I'm not getting involved in that. I can't tell you.
Well, Uncle Daniel's well established.
Yeah, because Shauna, listen, I can't tell you everything, okay? I'll never mind.
Mommy, I wanted to ask you if I could sleep over Susie's house today.
Of course you can. I'm so proud of you, Marsha. Your grades have been good, and you joined cheerleading. I never thought.
You're really proud of me, Mommy? I've never heard you say that before. Thank you.
Of course I am. I've always been worried about you, but you're doing great. Yes, you can spend the whole weekend at Susie if you want to, and enjoy yourself, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
No problem. Go get ready and enjoy yourself. I love you so much, Marsha. I'm so proud of you. I honestly have to tell you, I'm so proud. Go enjoy yourself. Such a good girl.
Tony, you do know girls are coming over, right? This place is a mess. I told you to clean up and decorate.
Tejana, man, I'll go all over for a girl when I'm away, you know. I buy the food, I clean up the local space, but good now. You need to relax.
I'm not even gonna waste my time fighting with you. Oliver, what did you bring? Did you buy the weed? And the condoms? Yeah, I bought everything.
Oh, really, Sim? What a girl them day. I'm not come to that sword fight, you know.
Sorry I'm late, Tony. I have to babysit my cousin, basically. Mother leave him upon me.
And me if you come babysit and warm me in the yard like a toddler. Me pretty browning.
Tony, stop it. But me don't like when you not call me from what you know. Me can't reach you.
Dear baby, me just been busy. Never about a thing, man. You're the only girl me love.
This is the place, Marsha. It's so dirty.
Oh, wow. Susie, you look incredible.
Thanks, Oliver. Everyone, let's play spin the bottle with a twist. Truth or dare. Instead of kissing.
Dear Shana, kiss more, kiss girl, and away me truth already.
You can dare someone to kiss if you want, Tony. But everybody has to participate. Or you can leave. Now, I'm gonna explain the rules. Whoever spins the bottle and it lands on a person, they're gonna ask them truth or dare. Are you ready? I'll go first. Good is Masha. Masha, truth or dare?
Here, I guess.
Alright, I dare you to kiss Ocean.
Kim.
What? I think you would have been longer. Wanna kiss longer naman? Boy, this fun. You can't wait till my turn.
Alright, Oliver, you're next.
Oh, okay. Alright, Tony, truth or dare?
You know me, I forgot with dear. I make sure you give me a good dear now, you to me a depend upon you in a man. Yeah, I make me kiss two girl one time, that would be nice.
I dare you to run around the neighborhood in your underwear, screaming at the top of your lungs.
Really, youth? I that tell dear me, how can a fish behavior that might? I want to you.
Tony, just do the something, naman, or you have to leave.
Alright, at least woman they must see me the man there and see who I'm packing with. Ha ha. I mean them toward it girl them pony. I mean them toward any girl them pony.
Susie, I dare you to kiss my cousin.
No.
Susie, if you're not going to do it, you can just leave, okay?
But fine, I'll kiss him. Alright?
Oh, you all to what am I going, sir? No, sir.
Them need to find a room. Look like she like it.
Ada dear to me, should I get in Oliver coming at dear?
See, you're up and now?
No, but you sure are. Okay,
I haven't had a turn yet.
well, I'm bored at this game. Let's have some fun.
Hey Ocean, is everything alright with you? I just came in here to check on you because you haven't been really talkative tonight.
Alright, you know, Marsha. We just have a lot on my mind. I'm just coming here for kind of think a while. And what do you really want to be here in the first place?
Oh, I thought you actually wanted to come here.
Well, at first I didn't want to be here. But I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy I came. Because of you.
You alright?
Below the fact that you're always concerned about Marsha. And don't think I don't appreciate it because I do.
You smell good.
Why you're not downstairs? Is something bothering you?
See, I don't know why you're in here, but we're not going to do anything.
It's okay, I don't want to do anything.
Right, good, because I'm already interested in someone.
Guess that guy in the glasses?
Yes. You are a good kisser, I won't deny that.
Hey Susie, are you okay? Why aren't you coming downstairs? Did something happen?
I just prefer to be by myself. I want to say I'm sorry for kinda, being mean to you. For checking up on me.
Yeah, no problem.
Why are you staring at me like that?